News on Tesla this morning, the company announcing that 5-for-1 stock split. And earlier this morning, our friend Jim Cramer, this is what he tweeted. He says, "I've urged every one of the CEOs with the big dollar amount stocks to split."
Take two. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. It's Chris here, and today's video is going to be about that Tesla stock split that's happening by the end of this month, August 31st. So be ready, guys. I want to answer two questions. What exactly is the stock split? And second question, will the stock split offer any value whatsoever to Tesla? Speaking of stocks, I got two links down below with WeBull and Robinhood. If you want to obtain free stocks, please click the links down below and sign up. You will obtain free stocks. And also, please note, these are referral links. So you obtain a free stock, I obtain a free stock, and it is a win-win situation. With that being said, let's move on to my first point. What exactly is a stock split? A stock split is very simple, guys. It's when you have one share of a particular company or one stock and it gets split off to multiple shares. Alright, so Tesla is doing a 5-to-1 stock split. Or I said that backwards, guys. A 1-to-5 stock split. For every one share you own, you're going to own 5 shares. Sounds pretty impressive. If you own currently 5 shares of Tesla, you're going to be owning 25 shares pretty soon. By the end of the month. Now you may be asking yourself, does that mean I'm going to have 5 times the value? Which brings me on to my second point of this video. What value does a stock split offer for companies such as Tesla, Apple, and there's probably many other companies doing stock splits as well? Well, stock splits offer value, but in a very unconventional way. So theoretically speaking, stock split offers no value whatsoever, right? So if you have 5 shares of Tesla, by the end of the month you're going to have 25 shares. But your price for each share is not going to be times 5. It's going to be divided by 5. Instead of each share being worth $1,900, each share is going to be worth close to around $400. So each share is worth less, but you have many more shares. So they kind of wash each other out. And at the end of the day, your portfolio did not increase nothing whatsoever. You just have more shares of Tesla. But the worth of each individual share drops, so it's exactly the same. But here, hypothetically, it's offering massive value. Right? So if we assume that there's many investors out there who want to be Tesla share owners, and they're just not Tesla share owners because they find the price too high, they're unable to buy in at that price point. The price, it just looks unattractive at that price point, overvalued. Stock splits are the perfect weapon to have these individuals jump in on a stock. Because now individuals who want Tesla, but they just find it too pricey, can now jump in at a lower price point and buy Tesla. Individuals who believe it's oversold, overvalued, this is going to give the illusion that it's no longer overvalued. And you may be asking yourself, like, duh, who can't jump in at that price point, but they could get fractional shares, duh. But let's be honest, not every platform offers fractional shares. For example, in my WeBull stock, link down below, by the way, if you want free stocks, does not offer fractional shares, at least for me. I have not seen that feature. I have to buy stocks at the full price. Robinhood, I am allowed to do fractional shares, and my other platforms, I'm not allowed to buy fractional shares. So not everybody could do fractional shares, and this will be an excellent opportunity for individuals to buy Tesla stock who just can't obtain it at that current price point or don't even find it attractive enough. Conclusion to, does it offer value? So yes and no. Theoretically speaking, no. Everything stays the same. You have more shares, but it's costs less for each share. And hypothetically speaking, it offers tremendous value. People who are sitting on the sidelines wanting to jump in are now going to have the opportunity to jump in. Alright, guys, if you found any value whatsoever within my video, please make sure to click that like button. If you want more information just like this, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. I do plan on doing a Tesla news series where I'm fascinated by Tesla and I would love to be reporting on it. So that's my current plan, is a Tesla news series. So hope you enjoy. And until next time, folks, take care.